Tonight we witness two villages, Ryan and Anais, coming together to celebrate love. In the words of the great philosopher, Winnie the Pooh, as soon as I saw you, I knew an adventure was going to happen. Well, today we are part of that adventure. Blend of cultures, languages and stories centered around two amazing people. Ryan, our Dermot Engelsman, and Anais, our Uppington Afrikaanse broedermeister.
Clearly remember walking into the club for the first time. My first thought was, that is a flippin' good forehand. My second thought was, that looks like an amazing chick. We didn't speak to each other for the next two socials until eventually we crossed paths off the court, finding out that we had the same interests at heart: tennis, hiking, camping, family values, adventuring, and just strolling around town. The more time I spent with her, the more convinced I became that she was the one for me. First of all, have a round of applause for our lovely, my wife, Anais Jackson. Anais, this is to Anais, so I'm going to read it. This is in Afrikaans. Bear with me, it's probably going to be terrible. This is weird. Anais, jy is my ongelooflike vrou, my vrou. Jy verras my keer op keer met jou groot hart, hoe diep jy omgee vir ander. En hoe jy altyd ander eerste sal, selfs al kos dit jou iets. Jy is ongelooflik mooi, van binne en buite. Jy het die suiwerste hart en die skoonheid wat eer alles wat jy doen skyn. Ek is lief vir jou meer as woorde ooit kan sê. I, Ryan Jackson, take you, Anais, to be my lawfully wedded wife, to have and to hold from this day forward, for better, for worse, for richer, for poorer, in sickness and in health, to love and to cherish, till death do us part, forsaking all others, keep myself only unto you.
Ek, Anais de Pinaar, neem jou, Ryan Jackson, as my wettige man, om jou te hê en te hou van hierdie dag af vorentoe. In goeie en in slegte tye, in voorspoed en in teëspoed, in gesondheid en in siekte, om jou lief te hê en te koester, tot die dood ons skei. Ek beloof om jou alleen toegewy te bly en niemand anders bo jou te verkies nie.
It is now my privilege before God and before His Word to actually pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss the bride.
Ons weet nie wat die pad vorentoe vir ons inhou of wat God beplan het nie. Maar ek weet, ek wil daardie pad met jou stap. Deur die hoogpunte, die laagtepunte, die lag en die trane op ons saam. My ma het onlangs vir my gesê, en my pa nou, waar liefde is wanneer albei dink hulle is die gelukkig een. En in hierdie geval weet ek is die gelukkig een. gees op die verbond van huwelik en leef deur onder God vir altyd. Ek is altyd by jou, vandag en elke dag daarna. Vir Renée, my pragtige vrou en beste vriend. Ek is lief vir jou meer as wat woorde kan sê.